after using the bat for 2 minutes. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul. What a shot! After using the bat for 2 minutes. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul. What a shot!
Isang napakagandang hapon ng Sabado Bicolandia. You are watching a Bucal Season 4 live on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And syempre binabati namin ang lahat ng nakatutok sa GNN TV 48 NAGA Channel 48.2 at sa mga nanonood sa cable via DCTV Channel 10 NAGA at syempre sa mga nakatutok sa aming FB Live sa GNN TV 48 Facebook page and Bucal Facebook page. Ito David, bakbakan na and labanan na ito ng pwestuhan na. Kumbaga, yes. Battle of Third.
Battle of the Third between ATENEO, the NAGA Golden Knights and SHEPHERDVILLE Rams. So, parehong teams na ito, partner, no, natalo nung semifinals match sa ATENEO versus ACC, and ang SHEPHERDVILLE Rams naman is natalo sila ng NCF Tigers. So, pagkatapos na itong larong ito, partner, no, magkakaroon na ng awarding bago yung Game 2 ng ating Bucal Season 4 finals match between the ACC Green Serpents and the NCF Tigers.
And kung natatandaan mo, David, nagharap na itong SHEPHERDVILLE Rams at
Yes.
ATENEO Golden Knights nung day 1 ng Bucal Season 4 and nanalo yung Golden Knights.
Yes, partner. And makikita natin for the second time ang matchup between ng ating Rams and ng ating Golden Knights. And ayan, talagang kaabang-abang to, no? Battle for third to. Battle for third place dito sa ating Bucal Season 4. Pero syempre, partner, no? Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Cassandra para bigyan tayo ng update kung ano ba ang ambience ng ating Golden Knights bench. Tawagin na siya natin ngayon. Hi, Kaz! Anong balita dyan?
Medjis afternoon to all basketball enthusiasts. The passion for basketball keeps on getting more intense as the players of both teams are not losing hope to persist in fighting for the title in this battle for third. Right now, I am with the graduating players of ATENEO Golden Knights, Jason and Philip. May I know what is your significant memory as Golden Knights, especially in playing Bucal for several seasons?
I think for me, the most memorable thing is experiencing the crowd and everyone gathering, especially now where it's gotten bigger than ever, and of course the experience with all my teammates.
Thank you, Jason. How about you?
Ako naman po is yung preparation namin before every game, saka yung lahat ng practices namin para sa Bucal.
Thank you very much, Jason and Philip. We thank you for representing the ATENEO, and please know that we appreciate you. It's me, Cassandra Seton, courtside reporter for the Golden Knights. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Kaz, and good luck sa ating Golden Knights. Siyempre, partner, no, isang factor sa mga players talaga is yung binibigay ng crowd sa kanilang excitement para para ma-showcase nila yung kanilang talent. Napakasarap na feeling yan, knowing na ako din, isa din akong student athlete noon. Yung pag-cheer talaga ng mga crowd is grabe ang impact sa isang player. And
then nakita ko kanina, nasa likod lang natin yung mga fans ng
partner,
Ateneo Golden Knights.
dito sa ating likod is, dito sa my side ko is Golden Knights, and I think dito sa kabilang side naman dyan sa my side mo is yung ACC na nagpe-prepare na ngayon yung ACC para sa kanilang game mamayang 4.
Kitang-kita mo yung suporta on both teams. And ngayon naman, natawagin natin ang kasama nating courtside reporter na si Janelle all the way from the bench of the Shepherdville Rams. Hi Janelle, ano ang update mo dyan?
Thank you, Francis and Joshua. We are now here at the UNC Sports Palace where we will witness the battle of third for the teams Ateneo Golden Knights and Shepherdville Rams. With me is Mr. Joshua Napay in jersey number 22, where this will be probably his last year in the Bucal game. So, kumusta kayo, Joshua?
Okay naman, medyo masaya na magkakalaro pa yung para sa third runner-up. Sana manalo kami.
Okay, since this will be your last year sa Bucal Games, ano yung na-feel mo since this will be your last game?
Siyempre medyo malungkot kasi maiiwan ko yung teammate ko. Pero masaya naman kasi naka-experience ako dito sa Bucal.
So last question, ano yung message mo sa mga matitirang players ngayong Bucal season?
Sana bumawi sila sa next year season Bucal. Gawin nila yung best nila para manalo sila. Magkarating sila sa finals, hindi lang sa semis. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you so much, Joshua Napay. So I'm Janelle B. Jumano, your courtside correspondent from the corner of the Rams, and I will be giving you back-to-back updates from this game. So yun ang mga update dito, balik sa inyo.
Ayan, maraming salamat Janelle, and good luck sa iyo Joshua and sa ating mga Rams. So ayun nga partner, no, last season na ngayon ni Joshua Napay, isa sa mga magagaling na players nitong season 4, no. I think he is our assist leader sa regular season ng Bucal ngayon, and sad na makikita siyang hindi na makakapaglaro next year, pero aabangan natin kung ano ba ang magiging changes ng ating Shepherdville Rams pagdating ng season 5.
Pero syempre, maswerte tayo kasi nasubaybayan na pa rin natin yung galing ni Joshua Napay.
And eto na, malapit na magsimula ang ating Game 3 partner, no? And nakikita natin sa ating center court, nagpe-prepare na yung ating mga teams.
Ayun. At syempre, hindi natin kakalimutan pasalamatan ng ating mga sponsors. We have the NAGA College Foundation, Pechilitos Resort, owned and managed by Miss Flor Azania, Mariners Polytechnic and Colleges Incorporated, Congressman Gabi Bordado of 3rd District, Camsur Viaje, owned and managed by Miss Kea Floriano, Department of Tourism, Region 5, Regional Director Mr. Herbie Aguas, Flowers and Beyond, owned and managed by Miss Mars Aliniante. Wow Worlds of Water, Mangkok's Kinalas, owned and managed by Miss Emeline Salgado. Lemon Residences, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. Own Style Graphic Design Services, Converge ICT Solution, Nagayon Travel and Tours, and GCP, National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, Cafe Amigo, SM City Naga, NCF Driving School, AET Ads, NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings, Capazon Peña Floor, NCF Training Pool, and Doña Osan Catering Services. Maraming salamat po.
And ayan, maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors. Bucal Season 4 won't be possible without your help. Kaya tutok lang kayo mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors, and syempre yung ating mga live viewers sa ating mga Facebook page. Shoutout sa inyo, and please don't forget to like and share our page para mas maraming mga manonood ang makapagtunghay nitong ating Game 3. Ay, Battle for Third.
Like and follow and share our Facebook page. We have the GNN TV48 Facebook page and the Bucala Facebook page.
So ayan na partner, magsisimula na ang ating Battle for Third. Pinapatawag na sa center court ang mga first 5 ng parehong school, Ateneo Golden Knights and Shepherdville Rams.
And pasalamatan din natin na David, yung mga kasama nating referee.
Yes.
Ang SBP, NAGA Elite Referee headed by Sir Eman Paraon.
Maraming salamat sa ating SBP sa walang kapagod-pagod na pag-officiate ng games dito sa ating Bucal Season 4.
kasama natin sila from day 1.
Yes. And ayan na nga partner, ini-introduce na ang Shepherdville Rams. Kanina lang is na-introduce na ang ating Golden Knights. And ayan na, Martinez and Madridano will tip in the ball to start this battle for third of Bucal Season 4. Let the games begin, and nanalo sa tip-off ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Vivares with the ball. Fires that 3. Does not go in, pero tip in by Rico for that 2-pointer to put the Shepherdville Rams in the scoreboard early in this first quarter. Wood now passes to the outside man. 3-pointer, no good. Rebound by Areño. Going all the way, layup, no good. Rebound by Calleja. Fast break ngayon, Almario. 4v3 now in complete. Monay penetrates, extra pass to the big man. That's a block. Martinez with the ball para sa Shepherdville Rams. Passes to Areño, making the play para sa kanyang team. Lumabi, pump fakes. 10 seconds to shoot. Martinez passes to Vivares. Mid-range jumper. No good. Rebound by Almario. Almario now setting up for his teammates. Passes to Monay. A 3-pointer. That's good. 3-pointer for Monay, putting the Golden Knights in the lead in the scoreboard. Lamang ng isang puntos ang ating Golden Knights. Areño with the ball, spins, passes to Martinez, reverse layup, no good. Almario with the rebound, loses that ball. That's going to be a turnover para sa Golden Knights. Second shot clock. Areño fires that 3-pointer. That's going to be no good. Almario with that rebound. Passes to Wood, intercepted by Rico. Bola ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. Vivares. That's a good layup. Smothered by the D, but still puts that ball inside the basket. Monay with the ball, acting point guard for the Golden Knights. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Passes to Almario. That's a quick trigger 3. That's good. 2 3-pointers are good for the Golden Knights here early in the first quarter. Lumabi fires at 3. It's good. Revenge 3-pointer for Lumabi.
Palitan ng 3.
Yes, partner. Palitan ng 3-pointer para dito sa Golden Knights and Shepherdville Rams. Lamang ng isang puntos ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Almario tries another 3, but that's gonna be no good. Vivares now to the offense. Penetrates. Smothered by Almario. What a block! Grabing block naman na pinakita ni Almario. Proving as one of the best players of the Golden Knights, but Areño catches that inbound, crossing over Almario. That's gonna be a foul call by the referee on Almario. That's gonna be his first personal foul, first team foul for the Golden Knights as Monay goes out and Lopez goes in. Vivares back to Areño. That's gonna be a 3-pointer. That's gonna be short. Wood with the rebound. Now in the hands of Almario. Almario passes to Madridano, almost losing the ball. Penetrates, half step, layup, no good. Into the hands of Vivares. Passes to the outside man. That's a long 2-pointer for Rico. That's no good. 6 minutes 35 seconds remaining in this first quarter. Lopez fires at 3. That's good. Coming in, substituting for Monay and fires at 3. That's going to be a 3-pointer for Lopez. Halos lahat ng putos ng ating Golden Knights ngayon ay galing sa 3-point line. Pero ayan, may steal si Lopez. Fires that 3 again. That's good! 3-pointer para kay Lopez. Early 6 points para kay Lopez dito. Rico smothered by that defense by the Golden Knights. 12-7 ang ating score. Almario fast break passes to Lopez. Another 3. That's gonna be no good para sa kanya. Miscommunication there. That's gonna be a turnover para sa Shepherdville Rams. Substitution dito, both teams.
And sa mga nagtatanong po ng schedule para sa game mamaya, 4:30 p.m. po, NCF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents.
Calleja to inbound the ball para sa Golden Knights. Almario gets that inbound, receives it. Mid-range jumper. That's good para kay Almario. Ateneo heating up, and Shepherdville has nothing to answer on the defensive side. As Areño now with the ball to Nunez, back to Vivares. Stopping the bleeding. That's going to be short. Rebound by Wood. Almario again with the ball. That's going to be a foul called on Lumabi. As Almario goes to the ground, but he's okay. Substitution here. Areño goes out. Napay goes in.
And ipapasok din si number 12, Buela.
To inbound the ball is Calleja para sa ating Golden Knights. That's intercepted by Vivares, so it's still Ateneo ball. And 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter as Fulgar gets that inbound. Now in the hands of Calleja. Calleja passes to Almario. Almario penetrates, stops and pops. Mid-range jumper, no good. Into the hands of Lopez. Fires a 3. Lopez, that's good! 3-pointer para kay Lopez as he gets 9 points dito sa first quarter. Nunez spins, blocked by Fulgar. Calleja loses that ball, stolen by Lumabi. Euro step. That's gonna be 2 shots on Lumabi as Almario gets another foul. Almario will take a quick rest here in the first quarter as Mon Aureliano goes inside for the Golden Knights. Ten-point lead dito para sa ating Golden Knights as Lumabi fires his first free throw. That's gonna be a no good. And Lumabi going to shoot his second shot here. That's good, cutting the lead of Ateneo to single digits. Aureliano with the ball para sa Ateneo dito. Almost intercepted by Lumabi, but that's gonna go out. Bola pa rin ng Ateneo as Aureliano inbounds the ball. Fulgar receives the inbound, almost intercepted. Mon regains that, penetrates, layup, that's good. Back to double-digit lead para sa Golden Knights as that 2-pointer goes in for Aureliano. Lumabi on the offense for the Rams, passes to Napay. What a beautiful fake, but intercepted by Calleja. Lopez now goes to the outside, fires a 3, no good. Rebound by Fulgar. Second chance, no good para sa Golden Knights. Lumabi, fast break. Passes to the outside man, that's a long 2-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound, Vivares, that's good. 2 points para kay Vivares.
3 minutes and 40 seconds para sa ating first quarter. 19-10 ang ating score lamang para ng Golden Knights.
Yes, single-digit lead na lang para sa Golden Knights as Mon Aureliano penetrates. Passes to Wood, mid-range jumper, in and out. Nunez with the ball, passes to Napay. Penetrates, passes to number 12, Buela. That's good. 2-pointer. Ateneo cooling down a bit dito sa late minutes ng ating first quarter. Fulgaro back to Aureliano. To Wood. Back to Lopez. Stops, passes to the inside man, intercepted. That's gonna be a steal by Lumabi. Fast break ngayon ng Rams. Napay, 2-on-2 fast break. Layup, no good. Rebound by Wood. And on the offense is Ateneo. Miscommunication there, but beautiful catch by Lopez. Mid-range jumper by Vulgar, no good. Vivares to Lumabi. Into the hands of Napay. That's gonna be a strong pass. That's gonna be a turnover para sa side ng ating Golden Knights. Ay, ng ating Shepherdville Rams. And that's gonna be a timeout called by the Shepherdville Rams. Ang ating score is 19-12. Lamang pa rin ang Ateneo. This is Bucal Season 4 live at the UNC Sports Palace. Only here at GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the back. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the back. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang aksyon dito sa UNC Sports. Total pang ating score, lamang pa rin ang Ateneo.
Ayan. Magbabalik ng ating quarter. Bola ngayon ng ating Golden Knights. Pero yan, may miscommunication there from the pass of Aureliano. Bola ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. Number 11 with the ball. Passes to Vivares. Passes to Napay. That's a good shot coming in. That timeout from the Shepherdville Rams. Monay with the ball. Passes to number 12. Almost traveling there. Stolen by Tukay. Vivares on the fast break. That's gonna be back-to-back points by the Shepherdville Rams. 2-point lead na lang natitira para sa ating Golden Knights dito. Naghahabol ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Monay sets up a 3. That's good. That's gonna be no good. Fast break ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Bola pa rin ng Rams dito. 18-second shot clock here. Aureliano Penetrates. Fakes. No good, pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. That's gonna be a foul called on number 8. 2 shots para kay Aureliano dito.
Substitution, ipapasok si number 28 Duetes and magpapakahinga muna si Vivares.
First shot is good para kay Aureliano dito. Still has to make his second shot here. Jumpers are ready para sa parehong kupunan. 2 for 2 si Aureliano sa free throw line. 21-17 ang ating score. Bucal, intercepted pass by Aureliano. That's gonna be a steal. Layup para kay Aureliano and it's good. Back-to-back 2-pointer para kay Aureliano dito. Bucal to Napay. 3-pointer, no good. Ponteos with a rebound. Intercepted by the Rams. Players going down here, pero bola pa rin ng Rams. Napay goes, and that's gonna be a foul called. Foul called on jersey number 3. 2 shots ngayon para kay Napay. 38 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. First shot of Napay is good. Second shot, Napay, no good. Rebound by number 75, Beltran of Ateneo. And that's gonna be a foul called sa ating Shepherdville Rams. Monay completes that inbound pass by Aureliano. Back to the hands of Aureliano. That's miscommunication by the Golden Knights there. As Nunez gets that steal into the hands of Bucal, penetrates, stops, pops, gets that 2-pointer.
And to give us an update, tawagin natin ang kasama natin courtside reporter na si Cassandra kasama ang Golden Knights. Hi Cass, ano ang update mo dyan? And to give us an update, tawagin natin ang kasama natin courtside reporter na si Kaz. Kasama ang Golden Knights. Hi Kaz, ano ang update mo dyan?
Hi Joshua and Frances, the Ateneo Golden Knights is already giving us an incredible start as they enter the hard court, maximizing their skills and values while playing the game against the Rams. Let's continue supporting the Ateneo Golden Knights by shouting one big fight. That's the latest update from the side of the Golden Knights. So back to you, Francis and Joshua.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kaz sa iyong update dyan as the first quarter ends. 23-20 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ng 3 puntos ang ating Golden Knights. This is Bucal Season 4 live at the UNC Sports Palace for your Bucal Season 4. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin action dito sa UNC Sports Palace as we begin the second quarter. And lamang ng 3 points ang ADU Golden Knights.
Yun, yes partner, lamang ang ating Golden Knights. All thanks to those 3-pointers that were made early in this first quarter. Pero ayan na, start ng second quarter. Monay fires a 3 in and out. Almost stolen there by Beltran. On the offense now is the Shepherdville Rams, Duetes with the ball. Passes to Napay, pump fakes, penetrates, loses that ball. And may foul na nakita ang ating referee. That's gonna be a foul para sa Shepherdville Rams. Bonay with that inbound. Bonay passes to Aureliano, to Aguilar. Long pass there, miscommunication. That's a strong pass. Turnover para sa Golden Knights. Tukay na with the ball para sa ating Shepherdville Rams. Nunez, back to Tukay. Thought about that 3, penetrates, passes to Duetes. 3-pointer, no good, only hitting the board there. Aureliano penetrates, passes to Monay, into the hands of Valle. Crossing over, passes to the outside man. That's going to be a foul call by the referee. Foul call on number 28. Monay goes out, Lopez goes in. Tukay goes out, Amor goes in.
Now let's hear from the other side with our courtside reporter Janelle all the way from the Rams. Hi Janelle, ano ang update?
Thank you, Francis and Joshua. After 2 weeks, the Shepherdville Rams are back once again to fight for the 3rd place this season. Despite of the gloomy weather, the crowd is quite heated as they cheer with their loudest voices to support for their school representatives. During the huddle, the coaches pointed out to focus and always set their play. They set their game plan to 1-2 defense, and for their offense, the boys needed to always set the screen. Yun lamang ang update dito, back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Janelle for the update. And nakikita natin it's still a close ball game kahit maraming 3-pointers ang pumapasok dito sa ating Golden Knights. And on the offense ngayon is the Shepherdville Rams. That's gonna be a long 2-pointer for Amor. No good. And a foul call there by the referee. Foul called on number 28, Duetes. Vivares goes in and Nunez goes out para sa Shepherdville Rams. Lumabi goes in. Labas dito ngayon si Duetes. Valle now with the ball para sa Golden Knights. Into the hands of Aureliano. Penetrates. Lays up. No good. Rebound there by Rito. Lumabi passes to Vivares. What a beautiful assist there by Lumabi. And a 2-pointer by Vivares. Lopez to Aureliano. To Valle. Stops and pops. No good. Offensive rebound Aguilar. Second shot. Effort, no good. Rito with the rebound. Vivares to Lumabi. Heavily guarded by the Golden Knights into the hands of Areño. Crosses over, penetrates. Layup, it's good. 2-point lead by Ateneo. 7 minutes, 7 seconds of the second quarter. Valle to Lopez. Back to Valle. 10 seconds to shoot. Aguilar penetrates. Passes to the outside man. That's going to be a strong pass from Aguilar. Turnover by the Golden Knights.
6 minutes and 48 seconds para sa ating second quarter. 2 points. Lamang ng 2 points ang ADU Golden Knights.
Areño with the ball para sa Rams. Passes to Vivares. To the outside man, Amor. No good. It's gonna be a substitution para sa Golden Knights.
Ipapasok si Wood and si
Almario.
Yun.
Almario receives that inbound from Valle. Now, going all the way. Nagmamadali si Almario dito. Trying to lose his defender. He does. With that screen by Wood. Layup by Almario. That's good. Beautiful screenplay there by Wood and Almario. Lumabi. Passes to the outside man. Received by ATENEO. Making the play para sa kanyang team. To Vivares. To Lumabi. Fires. No good. Offensive rebound, Amor. That's good. Second chance effort there by Amor. 2-point lead lang dito para sa Ateneo. Almario goes all the way. Layup. It's good. Plus a foul. Chance for a 3-point play here for Almario. Agravante and Madredano goes in para sa Golden Knights. One free throw here para kaya Almario. Chance to make it a 3-point play. He does. That's good. ATENEO now into the hands of Vivares. Passes to Rito. Spins to Amor. Layup no good. Put back again. That's good para kay Amor. Gravate with the ball para sa Golden Knights. Into Wood. Almario. Thought about that three. Penetrates, stops and pops. Mid-range jumper, no good. Offensive rebound. Lopez, a three, no good. Offensive rebound ulit sa Golden Knights. Wood to Almario. Back to Agravante. To Lopez. Tries again. That's good! 3-pointer para kay Lopez dito. ATENEO fires a 3 for his team. No good. Rebound ngayon kay Lopez. Into the hands of Almario. Going all the way. Layup. That's good. Back-to-back points para sa Ateneo. Timeout. Shepherdville Rams. Ating score 36-28 dito sa second quarter. This is Bucal Season 4 live at the UNC Sports Palace. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
watching a Bucal Season 4 live on GNN Sports TV. Rams versus the Golden Knights, and lamang po ng 8 points ang Ateneo Golden Knights.
Ayan. So bago mag-time out, napakainit nung shooting ng ating Golden Knights, pero makikita natin dito kung ano ang changes na ginawa ng Shepherdville Rams to stop the bleeding. Rito posting his defender. That's gonna be good. Put back there. I think that's by a Golden Knight. 6-point lead na lang ang hawak ng ating Golden Knights as Almario makes the play para sa kanyang team. Bola pa rin ang ating Golden Knights dito. 16 seconds shot clock. 16 seconds to shoot dito para sa Golden Knights. Almario passes to Agravante. Fires a 3. No good. Lumabi with a rebound. That's gonna be a foul called. Lopez gets his first foul dito sa ating ball game. Lopez goes out. Monay goes in para sa Golden Knights. Vivares to Areño. Back to Vivares. To Areño again. Penetrates, passes to Lumabi. Rito. That's a steal by the Golden Knights. And a foul called by the referee. That's gonna be a foul called on Rito. Penalty ngayon para sa Golden Knights. 3 minutes 54 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. And 6-point lead para sa ating Golden Knights. First shot by Wood is good. Second shot dito para kay Wood.
And shout out po kay Joya Molato watching from Rain.
2-for-2 dito si Wood. 8-point lead para sa Golden Knights. Lumabi to Areño, to Rito, to Vivares. Fires a 3. No good. May foul na nakita ang ating referee dito. That's gonna put Almario to the line. First shot by Almario is good. If he gets his second shot, that's going to put Ateneo to a double-digit lead here. That's going to be no good para sa second shot ni Almario. Areño now with the ball para sa Shepherdville Rams. Penetrates, layup, no good, pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. Putting Areño to the line to shoot 2 points.
Jersey number 13, first personal foul, second team foul, Ateneo.
That's gonna be a no good para sa first shot ni Areño. Second shot is good para kay Areño. Substitution dito para sa ating Shepherdville Rams. Areño goes out. Rico goes in. Monay with the ball for Ateneo. Now in the hands of Almario. Double team dito para sa Shepherdville Rams. Monay with that rebound. Almost losing the ball. That's gonna be a backcourt violation. Bola ng Shepherdville Rams. $14 seconds to shoot dito para sa Shepherdville Rams. Villanueva with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Beautiful pass by Villanueva. Second chance effort by Rito. No good. Almario with the ball. Penetrates. It's going to be a foul called on jersey number 15. 2 shots para kay Almario.
And a shoutout po kay Antonio Paga Jr. galing kay Johan Mendoza.
First shot ni Almario. That's good. Second shot is good para kay Almario. 10-point lead para sa Golden Knights.
And meron na lamang tayong 2 minutes and 46 seconds para sa ating second quarter.
Rito posting up his defender. Floater, in and out. Offensive rebound, no good. Ateneo with the ball. Intercepted by Napay. That's still Ateneo ball as the ball goes out of bounds. Almario with the ball. Tumatridano to the outside man. Agravante tries that three-pointer. No good. Into the hands of Villanueva. Napay with the ball. Villanueva penetrates. Half step. Passes to Amor. Beautiful reverse layup and a pass there by Villanueva. Two-pointer para sa Shepherdville Rams. Beautiful transition of offense there. Double team. Successful for the Rams. Rico. Layup. That's good. Back-to-back points para sa Shepherdville Rams. Mario to Agravante. Intercepted by Napay. Double team. Successful again. Napay layup. No good. Second chance. Amor. Still no good. Rico again. And there's gonna be a foul called. Foul called on number 14. Monay goes out and Agravante. Calleja goes in and Lopez for the Golden Knights.
Shoutout po kay Roberto Baled and a shoutout din kay John Ray Manongsong.
14-second check clock.
Amor. No good there for his layup. Aureliano with the ball para sa Golden Knights. Madridano to Lopez. Fires that corner three. No good. Offensive rebound. Calleja. To Aureliano. 10 seconds to shoot. Aureliano penetrates. Passes to Calleja. Stops. That's going to be a traveling violation by Calleja. Less than a minute remaining dito sa ating first half. Villanueva guarded by Lopez. Rico back to the outside man. Fires. No good. Calleja. Fast break. Passes to Madridano. Fakes. That's gonna be a block. Bola pa rin ang Golden Knights.
33 seconds na lang para sa ating second quarter.
Madridano fires a three-pointer in and out. Rebound by Vivares. Napay fires a three. No good. 20 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. Aureliano. Double team by the Shepherdville Rams. That's gonna be a traveling violation. 8 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. Vivares. 5 seconds. Stolen by the Golden Knights. 2 seconds. Calleja. That's gonna be no good. And that's the end of our first half. 41-35 ang ating score. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik po kami for your battle of the third. Ateneo Golden Knights versus the Shepherdville Rams for your halftime analysis. This is Bucal Season 4 live at the UNC Sports Palace. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
From Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, your courtside reporter this Bucal Season 4. Isa sa mga pinagkakabalan ko is to focus on my academics and involve ako sa mga organizations sa loob ng school namin. Also, I'm a volunteer on several organizations outside my school and sa lugar namin. And since pinaglalaanan ko ng oras ang academics ko ngayon, isa sa reason dahil 2 years from now, I'll be graduating from my course Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management sa Mariners NAGA. As your courtside reporter, ihahatid ko sa inyo ang update about sa team, hindi lang kung saan ako nanggaling na school, kundi sa iba't ibang colleges na involved ngayong Bucal Season 4.
Naghahanap ka ba ng one-day printing? Look for AET Ads. We offer tarpaulin printing, billboards, panoflex, laser cutting, and stainless for quality signages and many more. Your signage is the face of your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-level up mo na ang signages at billboard mo. Matatagpuan sa Pabidon 4, Door 5, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, in front of Boy Scout and Girl Scout of the Philippines. Sa Central Branch, located at Barangay Dinaga, Naga City, Salbay, Barangay Sagbon, Daraga Albay. For inquiries, you may call or text at 205-5322 or 0998-952-7485 and look for Mr. Willis Soliman. AET Ads ka na, your one-day quality printing. Magsama-sama tayong magbalitaan at kwentuhan dito sa GNN TV 48 NAGA. This event is brought to you by NAGA College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph. Lemon Residences, your newest home of the champions and the Metro. Open for daily, weekly, and monthly bookings. Located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, and enjoy a seat of coffee-inceptus meals at Tiger's Cafe, located at second level of Lemon Residences. Dream travel? Achieve yan sa NAGA Travel and Tours. Enjoy a hassle-free travel with NAGA Travel and Tours. Visit their office at NCF Annex Building, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, or call us 0966-486-0043. At NCF Annex Building, there is the Tiger's Loft, a business center that first to offer a co-working space in Naga. Grow your business at the Tiger's Loft. Swim like a champion at NCF Training Pool. Avail their swimming lessons at a very affordable rates. Contact Coach Joseph Tena at 0949-447-2792. Drive with confidence with NCF Driving School. Avail their theoretical driving course and practical driving course. For beginners, NCF Driving School is LTO accredited.
Hi everyone, I am Cassandra A. Seton, taking up secondary education specializing in English at ATENEO NAGA University, and I am one of the courtside reporters this Bucal Season 4. Some of my hobbies are first playing volleyball. I just do it during my free time. I'm also a reading advocate. I love reading. And I am also into hostings and likewise, of course, public speaking. It's such an honor for me to be part of Bucal Season 4, knowing that this is my very first time being a courtside reporter. It would be a good opportunity for me to grow and also to be more knowledgeable and involved when it comes to sports. Expect me to be more dedicated in sharing the stories of each player as well as sharing what is happening in the team during their game.
Sa oras ng sakuna, isa sa mga kailangan natin sa ating tahanan ay isang gobag. Ang isang gobag ay naglalaman ng tubig, mga dilata at biscuits upang hindi tayo magutom, energy bars or energy drink, first aid kit, communication devices tulad ng flashlights at batteries, whistles o pito, portable radio, at extra cellphone. Mas mabuti kung meron tayong prepaid load guard. Tools, tulad ng Swiss knife at gunting. Maaari din tayo magdagdag ng lubid. At huwag natin kakalimutan ang hygiene kit na naglalaman ng sabon, tissue, toothpaste, toothbrush, at face mask. Sa lahat ng oras, laging bukas, nakahanda ang aming tanggapan. Tandaan, ang Bicolanong alerto, pirming protektado.
Sumunyan niya ako digdi sa World of Water. Oh, wow! Sumunyan hihilangan tapo ang machine.
Located at Dorque Doña Elena Building, J. Miranda Avenue, Naga City. Owned and managed by Mr. Albert Ian Infeliz. For inquiries, call or text 0947-592-6867 or 0995-146-4011. Wow! World of Water, your water treatment partner!
Mas pinalinaw, mas pinalakas, mas pinalawak. Ang GNN TV 48 NAGA, digital na! Kung ang inyong TV sets ay digital ready na, pindutin ang scan o search channel button at makikita ang GNN TV Channel 48. Maaaring gumamit ng indoor o outdoor antenna para sa mas klarong panonood. Ganito rin ang gagawin kung kayo ay gumagamit ng digital box. Sa mga susunod na araw, asahan ang mga programang malapit sa puso ng mga Bicolano.
Sa loob ng classroom, yung parang ano ng mga bata, notebook, books, tapos teacher, nagtotalk lang yung teacher. Pero ngayon, dito sa robotics and sciences, parang naglalaro lang at natututo yung mga bata ng mga bagong learning na pwede nilang makuha.
Siyempre, yung technology natin, it's evolving. Yung mga students, they will really experience yung innovative learning. They will really engage with the technology.
This is a 3-year program that will cover from grade 1 to grade 12. So this is not actually a new subject, but this will be to be integrated in our computer subject in TLE. Except for, of course, for the STEM, because STEM really it is a subject wherein they will take as part of their curriculum.
As a parent, I'm so excited and happy that my kid and also the other kids in LCL will learn the basics of robotics. Siyempre, robotics, gusto nila yon at I know that they will enjoy it.
Ang fun po kasi, tapos ang dami pong nalalearn sa robotics. Excited pa ako.
Especially sa amin. I think before, this is only introduced sa mga college, especially sa mga engineering courses. But now, it's really an advantage, especially for the children, to remain relevant and competitive, especially in this period of technological advancement.
It makes it interesting because robotics isn't just about how you work with wires, how you work with electricity. It's about elaborating with new people, working with other people, visualizing how you could create more things. Hindi lang puro like, let's say, electric, mga wiring. It's also about teamwork po, being skeptical when it comes to working in robotics. It is very complicated, but I enjoy it a lot because learning new things is my favorite thing.
Actually, this is a free program for our basic education department. We will be having this robotics program, but parents will not pay any extra amount of this. So this is an innovation for NAGA College Foundation, and of course, to enhance our curriculum, particularly for digital transformation.
As I can see, kapag ang teacher is hands-on talaga sa pagtuturo, lalo na sa robotics na to, the students will really enjoy. It will be very fun and they will really have this learning environment and experiences po na mag-i-enjoy talaga sila.
You should better try new things no matter how difficult it is. Never give up because trying new things can open big possibilities and opportunities around you. You never know kung saan ka magaling, saan ka kailangan mo pa ng improvement. So I think that there's nothing wrong with trying because until you keep on trying, you will achieve a lot of things po and that will help you.
after using the block of the teammates. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul.
Welcome in the half, ladies and gentlemen, as we are set to give you the halftime analysis on our first 20 minutes of action. Kaya David, kindly walk us through.
Ayan, partner. So, andito sa akin yung stat sheets ng Ateneo and ng Shepherdville Rams. So, reason kung bakit maganda yung performance ng ating Golden Knights dun sa ating first half is because of their 2-point field goals. 60% shooting 6 of 18 dito sa ating first half, and syempre 45% naman sa 3-point line, together with 26 rebounds and 5 steals. Minimal ang kanilang turnovers with 18. And tingnan din natin dito sa ating Shepherdville Rams. Free throw percentage ng Rams is 50%, together with a very low two-pointer, 2-point field goal there. 13 of 34. And sa rebounds naman, parehas ang ating Shepherdville Rams with 26 rebounds with 7 steals and 9 turnovers. Makikita natin kung ano ba ang improvements ng parehong teams dito sa ating second half. And ayan, going back dito sa ating ball game. 6-point lead pa rin ang hawak ng ating Golden Knights.
Second personal foul. First team foul. ATENEO.
Rico here with the free throw.
And to give us an inside stop during the break, tawagin natin si Janelle. Hi Janelle, ano ang nakuha mong update dyan?
Francis, we are having an intense of a game. The Rams are a few points away from the Golden Knights, but seems to be on their feet to set their play. The team set their defense to 2-3 during the last minutes of the second quarter, and during the halftime huddle, coach reminded the boys to be calm despite of the tension inside the court. He also added to always make a way to rotate the ball and have a good communication inside the court. That's all for this update. Balik sa inyo.
Ayan, maraming salamat Janelle for your update dyan sa ating Rams bench. And makikita natin kung magiging effective nga ba yung mga changes na ginawa ni Coach para sa Shepherdville Rams. Pero ayan, going back sa ating ball game, bola ngayon ng ating Golden Knights. Valle into the hands of Arellano. Pulgar, mid-range jumper, no good. Napay dito, fast break, 3-on-2 fast break. Stopped by the defense there by Ateneo. Areño with the ball. Sidestep by Areño, passes to Nunez, almost losing the ball. Rico fires. No good, offensive rebound, Areño. Almario, beautiful blind pass there to Madridano. That's two-pointer. Napakaganda. Beautiful assist there by Almario. Napay with the ball para sa Shepherdville Rams. That's gonna be an offensive foul. Turnover para sa Shepherdville Rams. Number 26 with the ball para sa ating Golden Knights, Valle. Loses that ball. That's going to be a steal by the Shepherdville Rams. And to give us an update para sa bench ng ating Golden Knights, let us call on Cassandra. Hi Cass, anong update dyan sa Golden Knights?
Hi Joshua and Francis. During the timeout, Coach Nuki reminds the players of the rules they set for them to execute during the actual game. He reminds the players to follow what they planned and continue the teamwork as well as communication inside the hard court. For the third quarter, the players are ordered to perform half-court man-to-man. Yan muna ang latest. Back to you, Joshua and Francis.
Ayan, maraming salamat Cass para sa update ng ating Golden Knights. And going back sa ating ball game, Napay here fires, no good para sa kanyang 3-pointer. Aureliano to Valle. Back to Aureliano here. Beautiful pass by Aureliano to Fulgar. That's a 2-pointer para kay Fulgar. 6 minutes 40 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Areño with the ball. Penetrates. Layup no good. Rebound here by Aureliano. 3-on-2 fast break. Aureliano goes all the way. Layup, that's good. That's gonna be a timeout call by the Shepherdville Rams. 48-39 ang ating score. 50-39 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ang Golden Knights. This is Bucal Season 4 live at the UNC Sports Palace. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 Mancena foul. Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 Mancena foul.
We are back alive at the UNC Sports Palace para sa inaabangang battle for third. Shepherdville Rams versus the Ateneo Golden Knights.
And ayan, medyo mataas na ang kalamangan ng ating Golden Knights dito sa ating third quarter as Tukay is now with the ball para sa Shepherdville Rams. Martinez to Amor, pump fakes, spins, mid-range jumper, that's good. Beautiful stroke there by Amor for the Shepherdville Rams. Almario and Aureliano for the Golden Knights on the offense here. Aureliano trying to lose his defender. He does. Fires that three-pointer. No good there. Bola ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. Tukay with the ball for the Rams here. Lumabib. Beautiful pass there by to Amor, pero that's going to be a miscommunication. Stolen there by Aureliano as Valle now holds the ball on the offense for the Golden Knights. Almario posting of his defender. Passes to Madridano. That's a loose ball. Stolen by Amor. Passes to Lumabi. To Tukay. Mid-range jumper. That's good. 2-pointer para sa Rams.
5 minutes and 12 seconds para sa ating third quarter. 50-43 lamang pa rin ang Golden Knights.
Aureliano goes all the way. Passes. That's going to be a steal. Tukay to Amor. Loses the ball. That's going to be out of bounds. Aguilar with the ball para sa Golden Knights. To Almario. Back to Aguilar on the offense. Golden Knights. Outside pass to the outside man. No good para sa corner 3. That's gonna be a foul on number 13. Bucal now with the ball. Bucal to Amor, another mid-range jumper, no good this time. Aureliano guarded by Bucal. That's gonna be a foul called.
First personal foul, second team foul. Shepherdville, 15 seconds, shut up. 15 seconds.
Aureliano goes out. Monay goes in for the Golden Knights here as Monay will inbound the ball. Intercepted there by Buela. Buela layup. That's good. 2-pointer there. Fulgar completes the inbound pero may nakitang foul ang ating referee. That's gonna be a foul called on number 5, Martinez. 5-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng Golden Knights. Still a close matchup here. Almario with the ball guarded by Lumabi, trying to lose his defender. Asks for a screen. Almario almost loses the ball. He does. That's going to be a turnover by the Golden Knights.
We only have 3 minutes and 55 seconds para sa ating third quarter.
Bucal to Lumabi. To Buela to the outside man. Martinez spins. Passes to Amor. Fires. No good. Fulgar with the rebound. Into the hands of Almario. Almario penetrates. Loses the ball. Layup there by Fulgar is no good. On the offense now, Shepherdville Rams. Amor to Lumabi. Lumabi, that's a block. That's going to be a foul called on Lumabi. And that's going to be a timeout by the Golden Knights. Ang ating score 50-45. 5-point lead ang hawak ng Golden Knights. This is Bucal, Season 4 live at the UNC Sports Palace. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the back. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the back. All the way. Good for 2 points
are watching a Bucal Season 4 live on GNN Sports TV. Ayun, maraming salamat sa aming live audience na pumunta pa talaga dito sa UNC Sports Palace para manood ng live.
And ayan, hawak pa din ang Ateneo Golden Knights ang kalamangan nila dito as early as the fourth quarter here. Wood now with the ball para sa Golden Knights. Ganap na papapasahan, gets to Monay, back to Wood. Retrieves that loose ball. Layup there by Beltran is good, plus a foul and a chance for a 3-point play.
Jersey number 5, the second personal foul. Bonus free throw on jersey number 75, Robert Ateneo.
Bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Tukay with the ball para sa Rams. Guarded by Lopez. To Lumabi. Penetrates. Passes to Amor. Mid-range jumper. No good. Second chance effort. Still no good para sa Rams. May foul na nakita ang ating referee. That's gonna be a foul called on 75, Beltran. 14-second shot clock here para sa Shepherdville Rams. That's gonna be stepping out of bounds. Bola ngayon ng Golden Knights. Aguilar to Monay. Monay intercepted by Lumabi but steps on the line. Bola pa rin ng Golden Knights. Aguilar to Wood. Now in the hands of Lopez. Ganap ng mapapasahan si Wood. Gets to Aguilar. Aguilar, walang napasahan. That's gonna be an interception. Pero retrieved again by Aguilar into Lopez. A 3. No good. Offensive rebound Ateneo. And a foul was called. May tulakan na nangyari dito. And I think the referees want to get a replay there.
Okay, jersey number 5 of Shepherdville, ordinary foul. Jersey number 13, Wood. Warrant for technical for unsportsmanlike behavior.
And ayan po. Ordinary foul there for Martinez ng ating Shepherdville Rams and a warning for technical para kay Wood ng ating Golden Knights for unsportsmanlike behavior. To shoot the free throws there is Wood para sa Golden Knights. First shot is good para kay Wood. Second shot is good ulit para kay Wood. Tukay to Buela. Almost intercepted there by Lopez. Lumabi to Duetes. Mid-range jumper. In and out. No good. Rebound there by Wood. Monay on the offense. Foul called. Double foul here para kay Tukay and Wood.
Number 13 of Ateneo, third personal foul.
1 minute and 52 seconds para sa ating third quarter. 54-45 ang ating score.
Aguilar to Monay there. Lopez, guarded by Lumabi. Passes to the inside man, that's stolen. Fast break ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Bucal loses the ball. That's gonna be stepping in the line. Turnover. Lopez goes out and Calleja goes in for the Golden Knights. Monay passes to Calleja. Almost losing that ball. Aguilar stripped away. Lumabi, that's an easy two-pointer. Monay to Calleja. That's gonna be same ball para dito. Bola pa rin ng Ateneo. Bebares goes in. Tukay goes out. 47-54 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ng Ateneo. 14 seconds to shoot dito. Monay gets that inbound. Passes to the inside man. That's gonna be a block. Pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. Foul called on number 12. Free throws ngayon para kay Madridano.
Shoutout po kaya Nicola Francisco. Galing yan kaya Javen Renehen.
First shot, Madridano is good. Second shot, in and out para kay Madridano. Duetes with the ball to Bebares as 1 minute is remaining here sa ating third quarter. That's gonna be stepping in the line. A turnover para sa Ateneo. Duetes to inbound the ball para sa kanilang Shepherdville Rams. Substitution dito. Buela goes out. Rito goes in.
14 seconds to shoot.
Napay receives that inbound into the hands of Martinez. To Duetes. 10 seconds to shoot here. Fadeaway jumper. No good. Calleja to Aureliano. Napay with a steal here. Easy layup there by Napay. 2 points para sa ating Shepherdville Rams. That's gonna be Ateneo ball. Madridano receives that inbound. Aureliano with the ball. 9 seconds left. 8 seconds. Passes to Beltran. Floater. That's good. 2 seconds. And that's the end of the third quarter. Ang ating score. 57-49. Ateneo still holds the lead dito as we enter the fourth quarter. This is Bucal Season 4 live at the UNC Sports Palace. We will be right back.
we're back live at the UNC Sports Palace para sa inaabangang battle for a third. Shepherdville Rams versus the Ateneo Golden Knights.
And ayan, kalamangan pa rin dito sa ating ball game na ito ang Ateneo Golden Knights. This is the fourth and final quarter. Makikita natin kung makakapaghabol ba ang ating Shepherdville Rams or will Ateneo maintain their lead and win dito sa ating ball game na ito.
Pero David, in fairness dito sa Shepherdville Rams, yung second chance effort, nandun yung teamwork.
Yes, partner. Napakagrabe ng mga offensive rebound na pinapakita ng ating Shepherdville Rams, especially kay Amor. Pero ayan, let's start the fourth quarter. Vivares, pass intercepted by Aureliano. Easy two-pointer there by Aureliano. Double-digit lead for Ateneo here. Napay penetrates. Natapik ni Monay, pero bola pa rin ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Rito with the ball. Pump fakes, fires that three-pointer. That's gonna be an offensive rebound by Vivares, but still the layup is no good. Aureliano setting the play for his team here. Crossing over Vivares, penetrates. Layup, no good. Bola pa rin ang Ateneo. Vivares goes out, Amor goes in. Aureliano to Madridano. Back to Aureliano. Layup, that's good. Two-pointer para kay Aureliano. Isang dosenong kalamangan para dito sa Golden Knights. Amor, reverse layup, no good. Second chance, Rito. Still no good. Rebound there by Monay. Aureliano penetrates, passes to Madridano. That's a three-pointer. That's good! Three-pointer. And
now let's check in with the Golden Knights team with our courtside reporter Cassandra. Ano ang update mo dyan?
Hi Joshua and Francis. During the timeout, Coach Nuki encouraged all the players to perform at their best, make sure they are contributing well in the team, and they have to play smart throughout the game. They are also reminded on the importance of maintaining presence of mind. That's the latest update from the Golden Knights corner. Back to the panel.
ayan, maraming salamat Kaz for your update sa ating Golden Knights. And syempre, presence of mind ang kinakailangan talaga dito sa ating ball game as Ateneo tries to maintain their lead and win third place dito sa Bucal Season 4. That's a good shot para kay Rito sa kanyang free throw. And Aureliano here now with the ball para sa Golden Knights. Almario passes to Monay. To Aureliano. Penetrates here. 5 seconds to shoot. Beltran, that's good. Using the board for that two-pointer. Rico. To Amor. Heavily guarded by Almario. That's gonna be a steal by Jerome. Almario to Aureliano. That's gonna be an offensive foul here by Aureliano. Substitution. Ateneo with the ball para sa Shepherdville Rams, guarded by Almario. Losing Almario there. Ateneo with a spin. Stolen by Aureliano. Fast break ngayon, Almario. Layup, that's good. Two-pointer para kay Almario. Timeout here, Shepherdville Rams 66 to 50 ang ating score. 7 minutes 30 seconds sa fourth quarter. This is Bucal Season 4 live at the USC Sports Palace. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 Mancena foul. Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 Mancena foul.
You are watching a Bucal Season 4 live at the UNC Sports Palace. 7 minutes and 30 seconds na lang para sa ating fourth quarter.
And ayan na, going back dito sa ating ball game. Madridano, that's a long two-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound, still no good. Doon sa shot ni Madridano. Almario taps that ball. Bola. That's gonna be Shepherdville ball. Substitution dito. Rico goes out. Tukay goes in para sa Rams. To inbound the ball, Aureliano. Bola ng Ateneo dito. Fast break. Madridano. No good. Offensive rebound. Natapik. That's still a good ball. And that's Ateneo ball. Aureliano to inbound the ball. Passes to Jerome. Beautiful. But doesn't convert that two-pointer. Napay. Napakalakas ng pasa doon ni Tukay. Aureliano. Passes to Madridano. 14 seconds to shoot here, 10 seconds to shoot. Madridano, pump fakes, penetrates. That's a block there by Areño. Second chance by Aureliano, no good. And the players are down under that basketball. Tukay and Madridano. And the words are exchanging here para kay Madridano and Areño. Bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
And now to give us an update, tawagin natin si Janela kasama ang Rams. Hi Janela, anong update mo dyan?
Thank
you, Joshua and Francis. The Rams are few points away from the dominating team. The Rams are having difficulties when it comes to team communication. For the last quarter, during the huddle, the coaches reminded the boys to have a proper execution in the play. Coach also pointed out that they need to play as a team and need to have an aggressive defense in their game. Ika nga ni Coach, patience is a virtue. Yun lamang ang update dito, balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Janelle, for the update. And let's see kung makabawi ang ating Shepherdville Rams dito. Still a close matchup here. When 5 minutes and 47 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and final quarter as ATENEO with the free throws here. That's gonna be a good shot for his first shot dito kay ATENEO. ATENEO, second shot, that's no good. Rebound here by Fulgar. Fulgar to Almario, spins. That's a block by Nunez. Beautiful spin there by Almario, but a more beautiful block there by Nunez.
Third personal foul, fourth, first team foul.
First shot by Almario, that's going to be no good. Second shot of Almario is no good. Rebound by ATENEO. On the offense now, Shepherd. ATENEO fires a three. In and out. Rebound by Beltran. Arellano on the offense. Intercepted. Stolen by Lumabi. Fast break ngayon. Shepherd. That's good. 2-pointer para sa Shepherdville Rams.
5 minutes and 30 seconds na lang para sa ating fourth quarter. 68-56 ang ating score.
That's going to be a foul called on Napay. Bola ngayon ng ATENEO as Aureliano will inbound the ball para sa Golden Knights.
5 minutes and 9 seconds.
Mario penetrates. That's a good 2-pointer. Napay, fast break. Penetrates. That's going to be a foul called on Aureliano.
Third personal foul, fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. 19 seconds to shoot.
Tukay with the ball. Passes to Lumabi here. Stolen by the Golden Knights. Monay. Passes to Fulgar. Fulgar penetrates. Extra pass to Beltran. Loses that ball. That's going to be a turnover. Napay with the ball here para sa Shepherdville Rams on the offense. That's going to be a foul called. Foul called on number 14, Monay. Penalty dito ang ating Golden Knights as 2 shots will go to Napay on the charity stripe. First shot is good para kay Napay. (70-56) ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ang ating Golden Knights. Second shot by Napay, no good. Rebound by Fulgar. Now Aureliano with the ball. Passes to Fulgar. That's a wrong pass. The wrong man. Lumabi now on the offense. Passes to Napay. 3-pointer. In and out. Beltran with the rebound. To Monay. Back to Aureliano. 14 seconds to shoot here. Aureliano loses the ball. That's gonna be Shepherdville ball. Four minutes, 4 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Lumabi with the ball. Lumabi penetrates. Natapik ang bola. That's still gonna be Shepherdville ball. Substitution here. Napay goes out. Vibares goes in.
3 minutes and 56 seconds para sa ating fourth and last quarter.
That's gonna be a foul called on number 25, Lopez.
Foul number 25.
2 shots here para kay Lumabi.
Number 25, second personal foul.
Maraming salamat po sa nakatutok sa aming FB Live.
Lumabi with his first shot. That's good.
Perfect release. The first shot by number 2.
Second shot here, jumper's ready. That's no good for Lumabi. Same ball. Bola ngayon ng Shepherdville. And to inbound the ball here is ATENEO para sa ating Shepherdville Rams. Vibares pala will inbound the ball. ATENEO gets that ball. Penetrates, fakes, passes to Vibares. That's a beautiful layup there by the Rams. Beautiful transition of offense there. Lopez on the offense, double team. That's gonna be Shepherd ball. Beautiful defense being shown here by the Shepherdville Rams as a 10-point lead is within reach by the Shepherdville Rams. 10 points na lang ang hawak na lamang ng ating Golden Knights.
And meron na lamang tayong 3 minutes and 37 seconds sa ating fourth quarter.
Lumabi with the ball here. Loses his defender, passes to the outside man. Tukay, that's good. Cuts the lead to single digits. ATENEO struggling here. Arellano passes to Beltran. Double team successful again for the Shepherdville Rams. Lumabi, layup no good. Fulgar with the ball. Fast break ngayon ng ATENEO. Fulgar, layup no good. Second chance by Almario. That's a beautiful second chance effort. Back to a 10-point lead. ATENEO making a play para sa kanyang team dito. Penetrates, loses the ball to Vibares. That's going to be a loose ball. Stolen by Beltran. Almario with the offense here para sa Golden Knights. Almario passes to Arellano. Floater. That's good para kay Arellano. That's a foul call here. It's going to be a foul call on number 14. And Vibares will go to the line here for his free throws. First shot. That's going to be good para kay Vibares. Second shot para kay Vivares. That's no good. Wala pa rin ang Shepherdville Rams as a foul was called on Fulgar.
Number 3, personal foul, Paint.
Areño with his first shot. That's no good. Second shot is good para kay Areño. Cutting it to 10 points. 10-point lead dito para sa ating Golden Knights. Aureliano to Almario. Mario ngayon being double teamed by the Rams. That's a successful double team stolen by Vivares. Layup, that's good. Cuts it to single digits. And may foul na nakita si ref. It's gonna be a pushing foul. Called on, I think, Vivares. Last 2 minutes remaining here. 1 minute and 58 seconds pala to be exact. 74-66 ang ating score. Single digit lead here para sa ating Golden Knights. Monay with the ball. Aureliano gets that pass. Layup, no good. Second chance by Beltran is good. Double-digit lead ulit para sa Ateneo. Vivares. Martinez penetrates. Layup, no good. Second chance. That's good. 2-pointer para kay Martinez.
1 minute and 40 seconds para sa ating fourth and last quarter.
Almario to Aureliano. 8-point lead dito, Golden Knights. Fulgar penetrates, spins, and a foul was called. That's going to be a foul called on number 5. And I think the referees will review kung ano pa talaga yung nangyari between Fulgar and Martinez.
And para po sa mga nagtatanong, ang game po mamaya ACC Green Serpents versus the NCF Tigers ay 4:30 PM. Right after lang po matapos ng game na to.
Number 5 of Shepherdville and number 3 of Ateneo, both at sportsmanship foul.
And ayan, Martinez and Fulgar of the Rams and the Golden Knights both receive an unsportsmanlike foul here. And to first shoot a free throw is Fulgar.
Also Shepherdville, number 5, 5 fouls.
And Martinez here gets the 5 foul, so he's excluded from the game here. Nunez to replace him inside of the hard court. And after this game between the Golden Knights and the Shepherdville Rams, we will be having our awards ceremony doon sa may stage after netong larong ito. Fulgar now on the line.
2 shots rewarded to Ateneo, number 3.
Free throw by Fulgar is good. First shot is in.
Perfect release for the first shot.
Second shot dito para kay Fulgar. That's no good. Rebound by Vivares. 35 seconds remaining dito sa ating quarter. Oreño fires that quick 3. No good. Rebound by Beltran. Mario Torrellano trying to kill time here. Torrellano, intercepted pass, stolen by Oreño. Lumabi gets a foul there. 2 shots para kay Lumabi. Less than 1 minute remaining dito sa fourth and final quarter. Double-digit lead para sa ating Golden Knights.
Third personal foul penalty.
Lumabi to shoot his free throws. That's good.
You are watching the battle for third.
Single-digit lead para sa Ateneo. That's no good para kaya Lumabi. Bola ngayon ng Golden Knights. Aureliano gets that inbound double team by the Rams. Timeout here called by Coach Nuki Sabio. 77-69 ang ating score. 50 seconds remaining dito sa fourth and final quarter. This is a Bucal Season 4 live at the UNC Sports Palace. We will be right back.
Using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Will be awarded also the 15 best players of the season, the technical selection, and the best coach of the year.
We are back live at the UNC Sports Palace para sa Battle for Third. Ayun nga, David, seconds to play na lang and magkakaalaman na kung sino ang uupo sa third place.
50 seconds left na lang dito sa ating fourth quarter. And naghahabol pa rin ang ating Shepherdville Rams and Ateneo still maintaining their lead dito. As we go back, coming out of this timeout here. Single digit lead ang hawak ng Ateneo. Bola ngayon nila. Chance to extend it to double digits here.
14 seconds, shot clock. 50 seconds remaining for the last.
Almario. That's gonna be a foul called on Lumabi. That's gonna be a pushing foul. 47 seconds remaining on the clock. 2 shots ngayon para kay Jerome to make it a double-digit lead. First shot is good. Second shot is good para kay Jerome. Double-digit lead. Napay, three-pointer, no good. Fulgar with that rebound. Killing time here, stolen by Nunez. Three-pointer, no good. 30 seconds remaining. Monay got that stripped away. Stolen by Napay. Two-pointer for Areño. Single-digit ball lead. The shot clock is off. Fulgar. And a whistle was blown there by the referee. That's going to be a foul called on Areño. Penalty dito ang ating Golden Knights. And I think that's going to be it para sa ball game na ito. First shot, no good para kaya Fulgar. Second shot is good. And Lumabi here. I think they're going to try to get one shot off pa rin. Areño spins, fakes, layup, no good. Rebound, Fulgar. Second chance, Areño. No good, 3 seconds. And that's gonna be it for this matchup between the Golden Knights and the Shepherdville Rams winner, Ateneo Golden Knights. What an intense ball game dito. Pinakita ng parehong kupunan, napakaganda ng laro na pinakita ng ating Shepherdville Rams, and syempre ang nananaig dito sa ating ball game na ito ang ating Golden Knights, and will receive the third place dito sa ating Bucal Season 4. Congratulations sa ating Golden Knights and sa ating Shepherdville Rams. We will surely see you again next season for your Bucal Season 5.
And sunod dito ay tatawagin natin o kikilalanin natin ang best player of the game.
Ayan And we will be taking a short commercial break, and pagbabalik natin, we will call out our best player of the game. This is Bucal Season 4 live at the UNC Sports Palace. We will be right back.
using the black in the units. All the way, number 2 Mancena, foul!
Back alive at the UNC Sports Palace, and ito na nga, David, ipapakilala na natin ng best player of the game. At ang best player of the game ay ihahatid sa atin ng NCF Wings because Tigers can have wings. Kaya Cassandra, sino ang best player of the game?
Joshua and Francis, the Golden Knights, truly maximized their efforts and skills throughout the game. Right now, I am with the best player of the game from the Golden Knights, Jersey 55, Mon Arellano with 14 points, 6 rebound, 6 assists, and 4 steals. Mon, congratulations! With this, paano mo i-describe ang overall performance mo this season?
All out lang ako magsimula first hanggang fourth quarter. Ginawa ko lang yung role ko as point guard ni coach kasi tiniwalaan niya ako all throughout this season.
Ngayon, we are currently live. May gusto ka bang batiin o pasalamatan? This is your chance.
Nang una gusto kong magpasalamat kay Lord kasi binigay niya sa amin yung third place, and especially sa Ateneo community na nakasuporta sa amin. Thank you po sa inyo at saka sa mama ko, sa dalawang mama ko. Andyan po sila. And sa mga pinsan ko, sa mga kaibigan ko sa Pulangi. Thank you po.
Thank you very much and congratulations. This is me once again, Cassandra Isaton, courtside reporter of Bucal Season 4. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Kaz, and congratulations kay Mon Arellano for being the best player of the game and for being the third place dito sa ating Bucal Season 4. 14 points, 6 rebounds, 6 assists, and 4 steals. Efficiency at its finest para kay Mon Arellano dito sa ball game na ito versus sa Shepherdville Rams.
Ayan na, congratulations sa Ateneo Golden Knights at kaya Mon Arellano.
Yan, pero that is all of the time that we have dito sa ating ball game na ito. Ateneo Golden Knights versus the Shepherdville Rams. Winner ang Ateneo Golden Knights. Yeah. And syempre, huwag kayong aalis. Magbabalik kami for the award ceremony and for the Game 2 finals match between the NCF Tigers and the ACC Green Serpents. This is Bucal Season 4 live at the UNC Sports Palace, only here at GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Paalam po.